What's up? Terrence Lewis with LewisHelps. I'm at the place to be, not the club, not the homie's house, not the GameStop. I'm at the spot where the money's at, right? So just as a quick little video, man, just to explain to you guys that, you know, my habits and how I continuously invest in my education, invest in myself, and continue to grow. I don't know anything. I started with a brain of zero, right? Then my mom taught me how to walk, eat, right? And then, you know, I learned how to do math and read and write, and most of that came from books, right? So I just continue like a child, right? Be a child, be a sponge, and continue to grow yourself and continue to enhance yourself. And what you're gonna notice after your third book is the power that you gain, right? Read 3 books and then have a conversation to somebody about the topic in those books. And I guarantee you're gonna feel more powerful, more knowledgeable. And what that allows you to do, and I teach a lot of people this, just kind of information. I don't have a course or anything I teach, but that I charge people for, but just kind of LewisHelps is about just helping other people. And so what I tend to do is let people know, man, the biggest, most powerful thing you can do in real estate is get some conviction about yourself, right? Walk up to a bar, you know, walk up to a seller, and tell the seller what time it is. Don't ask them nothing. Tell them what time it is. You know what I mean? Like, hey, your property's worth this. This is what I'm willing to pay for it. Like, nobody wants to, you know, deal with a little, poo butt, you know, investor that they think is a little scrub. Nobody wants to deal with scrubs. What gets you conviction and what gives you power and what gives you confidence is education, right? I can walk up to you and tell you this is how you put one foot in front of the other because I've been doing it for 35 years, right? Conviction, this is what it is. It's the same way with books and reading and education, right? Mentors are great to help avoid pitfalls and potholes along the way through this real estate investing career, but books and knowledge is what even gives you a fighting chance. So if you're not educating yourself on financing, if you're not educating yourself on real estate, on investing, on rental properties, if you're not finding out about taxes, tax law, then why are you doing it? What are you doing, right? So do yourself a favor and get some education, and it all starts with books. You don't have to go to Barnes and Nobles. I'm not promoting Barnes and Nobles. I just happen to be in the area and said, what the hell, why don't I just grab a book? But Amazon, you know, you could, with the click of 2 buttons, you can order yourself a book and be that much smarter. So that's what this is about. It's just about grabbing some knowledge. A couple things to focus on that I recommend it. New investors coming in is taxes and credit repair. You can give yourself a lot of knowledge and leverage by gaining knowledge on those topics. Understand taxes, because you have to know that in this game, you start flipping property. One thing that a lot of people realize once they start flipping property is like, holy crap, Uncle Sam is in my pockets deep. You flip a property, they take 30% off top, sometimes more depending on your tax bracket, right? So how do you profit? And instead of taking 10 steps forward and taking 5 steps back, taking 10 steps forward, 5 steps back, understanding tax law, understanding. That's why we do 1031 exchanges, but don't just take people's word for it. Understand it, understand what it is, right? Understand why. Make your tax strategy part of your business model, your business plan. Make your credit repairing knowledge and base part of your business model and plan. All right, we're going to flip a few properties, then we're going to, you know, get a home equity line of credit, and then we're going to use that capital to invest in some buy and holds, right? Like, know where you're going. So it all starts with a business plan. But after that, the knowledge that you have is what's going to allow you to create a model for success. Can't create a model off some shit you don't know. Sorry for my language, right? Get the education, get the knowledge. All right? For more things real estate, don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the little bell. All right, guys, Terrence Lewis with LewisHelps. Peace.